Jai Hind दोस्तों. Today I will be talking about off-roading. So you can see I'm getting into a patch or a place where we don't have proper roads. This is actually an experiment that I'm trying to do to see if there are any problems for ground clearance. Because there has been lot of questions. Though this is not that bad, the road is pretty stiff, but in GoPro it will not do a justice. So I'm just talking about it, that it's a pretty slanted slope that I've gone through, and I don't see that the bike has touched at all. Uh, and I have enjoyed the off riding. Uh, and I don't think so. It's a very long off ride that I've done. It's hardly 3-4 minutes of drive, but just for testing initial purpose, I did this, and I thought of sharing this with you guys. This is another view of this uh, same video. Um, in this, actually, you'll get some more idea how is the terrain and how I'm driving it. Um, though it was not a challenge at all, I still felt like okay, I should do this for you guys, as I have seen people requesting this. Again, uh, I'm going back uh, from the same terrain on the bike. Though I still believe that GoPro doesn't do a great justice to this terrain, because it's pretty up and down, hilly, um, and you have pretty big stones out there through which I'm driving. But I don't think so that can be captured very well in the camera. That is one problem. You can see the speed. It's a pretty good speed that I'm driving in, around 10 kilometers, 9 kilometers. And this is the spot which is a bit steep. And see the road. It's bad. Uh, the road is pretty sluggish as well as loose, but I was able to drive very comfortable. So that gives me that confidence that okay, ठीक है, if not on a larger tracks, but छोटा मोटा off-roading तो we can manage with this bike, and that is necessary, because if we are traveling somewhere, it will always be like भाई कहीं ना कहीं तो we have to do some kind of an off-roading. Um, so in that scenario, you can surely manage it. I haven't seen any touches while riding this bike, so I'm pretty happy with that part. Um, that's all that I have for today, though. Though I would say कि when people have called it out, saying that the bike is touching speed breakers and stuff, I felt no, it didn't do that for me at all. Uh, till now, there has been no speed breaker that I have touched, um, for sure. Neither my stand nor uh, any part of the body of the bike has touched the speed breaker. So, so that is what I feel. Um, that okay, if some people have faced that issue, maybe the road was really bad or the speed breaker was too high. That might be the reason. I will not be denying that they haven't faced, but my experience is that I haven't faced any issue as such. So I'm pretty confident that people who are buying it shouldn't be worried about the ground clearance at all. There is one more video that will be coming soon, that will be a larger bit of an off-roading. So I'm working on that, and probably in a week's time, or not even a week's time, in probably 2 or 3 days, I'll post that in YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel though. I would request you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Also, the off-roading trips that I have done till now, there are around two. Those videos will come, but already I have shared photos in my Instagram. So please go and check my Instagram. If you want, you can subscribe, because I'll be doing more rides. And Instagram is a place where I immediately post those photos, so you can see those photos right away in my Instagram for my second off-roading thing that I have done already. Though that video will though come very soon, so please subscribe and enjoy. Fight for yourself, guys. Thank you. Bye.